Hello everyone, this is the app I'm going to create. Okay, so let me click the icon over here. A splash screen will show up for about 5 seconds. Then the second screen will display to allow me to click the button to play the music. I know the sound is a little bit hard to listen, hard to hear, but then there's the basic idea. So let me click another one. All right, let me pause it. Okay, so let me put this one aside and then let me fire up the Android Studio. Okay, and let me click the new project and then add a no activity first. And again, there are many different approaches that you can try. So let me call this one demo. Okay, splash. Okay, yeah, and then click finish. All right, as of now, there are no activity files being created at all. Okay, so let me create a new activity file. Okay, so select the app and right click the mouse button, pick new and pick activity and pick the empty activity. Okay, and then let me call this one splash. Okay, SP splash. Okay, and then also set it as the launcher activity. Click finish. So you will create the Java source code file, okay, and also the layout file. Layout file will be inside the RES resource folder, and also the layout. Okay, so let me click this one, and you can see that okay, I mean, there's really nothing in the layout file at all. Okay. And then I'm going to need a text view. Okay, so I will drag and drop an instance of the text view over there. However, here will be the screenshot. Okay, so let me quickly show to you. Okay, so this will be the screenshot. So I'm going to use this text view, okay, as the splash screen, and then also I'm going to add an image as the background. Okay, so let me just add the image files. Okay, I'm going to use. I will use about 3 image files. Okay, so let me select all of them. Okay, and let me just paste them into the drawable folder. Okay, so I'm going to paste them there. Give me a minute. There you go. And again, make sure that you select the drawable, not drawable-v24. Okay. All right, and just click OK. And then again, okay, I'm going to use the let me see, the brainstorm, okay, as the background image, okay, for this text view. Okay, so let me set that one up. Okay, so background. Okay, there we go. So this is a property, okay, for the background, and then I can click this one and pick this one, brainstorm. Okay, as the background image. Okay, so far so good. However, as you can see from the screenshot over here, okay, I also want to display the text message like sounds of joy. Okay, sounds of joy. Okay, so let me set up those string values in the strings.xml file. So again, it's inside the values folder. So let me double click it and let me increase the font size. Okay. And then I can change the app's name to maybe demo is fine. Okay, and then let me just add something here, string, and name will be text. Okay, and then this will be sound. Okay, sound of joy. And the value will be, oops, let me see here. The value will be a sounds of joy. And also I will need 2 other string keys or IDs for my second screen. So again, I'm not very good at recording and typing at the same time. So okay, I will just copy and paste those key value there. Okay, let me switch back to the splash screen. There you go. And then I'm going to look for the text field. All right, get the text field. So I'm going to delete the default value, and I'm going to use the string key, okay, or ID. I set it up a moment ago. Okay, so it will be sounds of joy. Okay, oh, I got a typo there. Not joys. Okay, sound of joy. My bad. All right, and then let me switch back, okay, and then try it one more time. Okay, so let me see. Look for the text value. Okay, text value. There you go. Okay, text value, and okay, select the text. Okay, sounds of joy. All right, and you can see that the value, okay, is display over the default location, which is the upper left. Okay, so I might have to set the gravity, okay, gravity to bottom center. Okay, so let me look for the gravity. There you go. Okay, gravity. Okay, so it will be button. Okay, let me see, button. There you go. So it will drop to the button, and I want to put it at the center. So let me set it to the center as well. Okay, button center. And it's a little bit hard to see the text right now. Okay, so it's okay. Let me increase the font size, okay, to 38 SP. Okay, so text size, okay, will be 38 SP. Okay, okay, you can see it's there, but the text color is hard to see, so I might have to change the text color, okay, to maybe something, again, you pick whatever you see fit, okay. So this should be fine, yeah. And also I want to set the text color to bold, okay, bold, okay. So let me see, okay. I can try the style, yes. Okay, bold, okay, yeah, so this is a lot better. Okay, again, I mean, I can run the app right now, okay. Even though it's not going to disappear, but it's okay, we can add the code to it later, okay. So let's check it out, okay. Okay, so far so good, okay. But then how do we make it disappear? Okay, so I'm going to I have to write some code in the splash.java file. So let me click the file. Okay. So again, let me increase the font size a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay. So this will involve, okay, I use a timer. Okay. Okay, and also the timer task. Okay. So okay, let me just declare a variable. Okay. Call it a timer. Okay, timer, and let me call it opening. Okay, equal to new and declare a timer. Okay, object. Okay, and then you can see that I need to import the class. So I'm using Windows, so I can press the Alt Enter. So the software will automatically import the timer class for me. But in order to use the timer, okay, to ask the program to run a job for me. Okay, so I need to declare another variable of timer task type. Okay, and then let me just call this variable task, and then instantiate this one from the timer task class. And you can see that it automatically added the run method for me, and also I have to put a semicolon there. So basically, the run method will be executed once the timer is expired. Okay, so what I wanted to do, okay, so I say, okay, I want to finish this app itself. Okay, so that's why I put this finish statement inside the run method, and then from the timer over here. Sorry, typo. Let me call it opening. Yeah. So this opening, then I can schedule. I can call the schedule. Oops, let me see why this you won't allow me to schedule it. Okay, so let me see. Open the yeah, there you go. So I can schedule a job to run. Okay, and after they say 5 seconds. Okay, so again 5,000 indicated is 5,000 milliseconds. 1 second equal to 1,000 milliseconds. Okay, so again I can quickly do a quick test now. Okay, so let me stop the app and then run it. So the screen will display and then after 5 seconds later then you will just close the cell because of the finish command. However, if I want the app to start another screen, then this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to create another activity. Okay, so select the app, new, and then select the new activity. Okay, this time let me pick the empty activity again, and I will just use the default name. Okay, main activity. Okay, and please don't put a check mark on the launcher activity because this is the second screen. And let me click finish. As of now, I want to keep the video as simple as possible. So on the layout file, I will just put on the layout file, I will just put a text view, text view there, and then indicate that this is main. This is let me call it second screen. Yeah, it's fine. Second screen, okay, yeah. All right, and then let me increase the font size, so everybody can see better. So let me try 22 SP. All right, not bad. Okay, nothing fancy. And then I can switch back to my splash Java file. Then here I can try like this, something like this. Start activity and a new intent. And then the original activity will be the splash this. Let me increase the screen width. And then the new activity to transfer to will be the main activity class. All right. So again, let me just expand it. Okay, so this is the code. So basically, this statement will allow the app to finish the first screen or activity and then start the second activity or the second screen. So let's try it now. So the app is loading. So first screen showed up for about 5 seconds. And then second screen will display. All right. So I will just stop here. Let me call this one part 1. For part 2, then I will share with you how to set up buttons to play music. Okay. All right.